AM. We cover weather and traffic every 10 minutes on KBOY 2 News this morning. Scary situations going on there. So yeah, definitely check in on your kids.
Vague memories of that going around like when I was in elementary school.
Yeah, there's faces of that.
Yeah, and kind of hoping that it would never come back. I mean, it was never something I did, but it's scary to know how vulnerable kids are to things like peer pressure, just not understanding the consequences.
Yeah.
Well, tough to see.
The weather not really lightening the mood this morning because it's not looking good.
We are just getting yanked around. I'm getting sick of this, and I'm about to like file a formal complaint. Like, enough's been enough.
Who do you send that to? That complaint?
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature at
Does she have an email
gmail.com?
address? I think so. Let's see if we get a bounce back. I wonder if you actually emailed mothernature@gmail.com.
It probably exists.
Who that would go to. We're gonna have to try it out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a bounce back being like, sorry, like, good luck. So yeah, we're in for a little taste of mid-March-like weather as far as normal high temperatures. And we're also going to get a powerful storm moving through that's going to give us rain, wind, mountain snow, and cooler temperatures. So we'll get you started looking at your weather headlines. That's all in the forecast for us these next couple of days. We'll stay unsettled through Thursday before drier air makes a comeback as we head toward the later part of the work week. And then we're finally getting a change again, getting yanked in the other direction. Warm air pushing back in for Saturday, Sunday, and it looks like into early next week too. So on the satellite and radar, starting to notice a few light showers creeping in and around southwest Idaho from southeast Oregon. Some of this may not actually be hitting the ground, but do know we could start seeing a few sprinkles out there early this morning, while the core of our storm and the bulk of it is still to come. So all of this that you're seeing out there right now, just a very brief teaser of what's to come for us. So here's the area of low pressure just right off the coastline there outside of Seattle, and already the west coast seeing heavy rain this morning, getting pounded over here in parts of southeastern Washington and northeast Oregon too. All of this is on track to slide right through our forecast area here over the next 24 to 48 hours. So we're going to be dealing with the impacts of this storm, especially today, but also lingering effects of it tomorrow too on the backside of the cold front. So the storm kind of comes in pieces. Piece one is the rain. This will come in before that cold front that you see positioned off the coastline here. So we'll fill in the day with more showers, and then it'll become more widespread as we head toward the lunch hour. Then as we fast forward into the evening, we'll continue to see showers. But once that front comes through, which does again look to kind of be in that 7, 8, 9 o'clock hour this evening, so a little bit later on during the evening, we'll see the winds pick up. Could see wind gusts upwards to 40 or 50 miles an hour. We could see the potential for some isolated thunderstorms. And then behind that front, the precipitation dries off, but we will see cooler air coming into play for us on Wednesday, and also the possibility of some rain and snow showers if we do get any extra moisture in the air for us early tomorrow. So increased cloud cover this morning. Again, I think some of these showers could fire up for us around the time of the morning commute, but most of them and the heavier shower activity holding off until I think mid-morning this morning, transitioning us into the lunch hour. So count on pockets of heavy rain. The rain pretty much a guarantee today. So grab the raincoat, whatever you're doing this morning or especially this afternoon. Going to be a little bit of a soggy one out there. We'll see snow in the highest elevations of the mountains. Snow levels today about 6,500 feet as of this afternoon. There's the potential for those pop-up thunderstorms. We could see a few of those flaring up for us into the evening too, packing gusty winds, possibly some graupel or hail in certain areas. After that front comes through, notice how dramatically things dry out heading into Wednesday morning, at least according to this model. However, there is a chance we could see a few random spotty rain and snow showers here in and around the lower valleys. So because it's going to be so cold, overnight temps in the 30s and daytime highs in the 50s, we'll actually have that chance to see a little bit of a mix out there, but it will not stick. We're not expecting accumulation. Could also see some showers on the back edge of this tomorrow, and our mountains, yes, we're talking snow. Winter storm warnings, everything here in pink, it's buried under the flood warning, but our Sawtooth Mountain Range, the Wood River and Big Wood River valleys could also see 1 to 4 inches of snow. And look at that, above 6,000 feet, 5 to 12 inches, could see a half a foot to a foot of fresh snow at some of our, say, ski areas, places that, well, at this point in the year doesn't do them too much good. Also, we have a winter weather advisory for the southwestern Idaho highlands. We're kind of looking at more about a half an inch of rain here in those lower valleys as far as rain totals are concerned. So most of this going to hit the mountains, but we could see a healthy dose of rain today, continuing with a little bit of rain and snow, or at least a chance of it tomorrow. It will be windy tomorrow on the backside of that cold front. Temps in the 50s these next 2 days, and then we slowly climb back up the ladder. I'm liking that 75 on Saturday, looking really good, and then we're in the upper 70s by Monday.